It's morning at Corn Creek on day one. We're gonna put some stuff away, get on the river.
Alright, everybody in the comments always asks me if I can remember the flow when we launched, and I never can. But here's proof. It was 1.9 on the Corn Creek ramp. Porter's having fish crackers for breakfast. And Tyler's having Nutter Butters for breakfast.
It doesn't get much better than that, I'm telling you.
Alright, we're on the Salmon. We launched. We're heading down river. It's me and Porter on the raft today. Everybody else is on the paddle boat or the kayak. Alright, we stopped for lunch. This beach just above Lance Bar. Everybody's over here cooking, preparing cold cuts. And then we're gonna go down the river some more. Alright, made it to camp at about 2:30, quarter to 3. Now it's time to hang out and wait for the sun to go down. Big Al, what are you guys making?
Fruit salad.
We're having fruit salad, hamburger. Morning of day 2. Where are we, Porter?
Black and R? Came to Black and R last night. Might rain today.
Porter's cooking pancakes. We started a time lapse earlier, so we can see the time lapse of sunrise on the Salmon. Stopped at Magpie for lunch. Shay, what are we having for lunch?
Chicken salad.
And what's in it?
Too many grapes.
Onions.
Tyler hates onions. There's very few onions in it though. It's raining and the sun's out. All right, it rained for a while, and then the sun came out. Now it's sunny. We ran a bunch of rapids. Now Porter's rowing. made it to Reed Creek. We're camped. We're gonna have, what are we having for dinner?
Burritos.
We're having burritos for dinner. Looks like it's gonna rain, so we put up our tents. Alex gave me a bunch of business about it. Cooler, pole. It was a nightmare. It's all Alex's fault.
It's not gonna rain.
Yeah, probably not even gonna rain.
It's pouring.
It's pouring rain. We're stuck in the tent on the boat.
Lightning. It's thunder. You can't hear a thing. The tent. It's bad.
It's 2 in the morning. 1:50. We've slept virtually 0 all night long. It just started hailing really hard. It's kind of out of control.
I mean, it was probably 2, 3 in the morning. Yeah.
We're having river muffins for breakfast. What do you call them, Shay?
River muffs.
River muffs. Did it hail in the middle of the night?
Absolutely. And I'm having a sandwich.
Where are we now?
Buckskin Mill.
Ren Ludwig, we came down, we're camped at Rabbit, and we're having meatballs. It's starting to smell. Oh, we're getting close. Alright, we got up this morning. Alex, what do we have for breakfast?
French toast. And sausage.
And sausage. Now we're getting ready to pack up and get out of here, go to Polly Bemis. Now we pulled into Polly Bemis, and we're gonna go up and check out the ranch. I tried to pull. Oh, Dan? No. Which builder can you get? I guess not gonna go, Dan. Ooh. Water's colder than We made it to California Beach. We're about to experience the greatest invention known to rafting, which is the half over. This is lunch. It's also camp. It's a beautiful, beautiful thing. Last night on the river, steak night. Oh yeah. All right, it's 7 a.m. We're getting ready to leave California Creek, heading towards the Carey Creek boat ramp. The final push of the morning, final push of the trip. Alex is taking forever to get his load ready, mostly because people had to use the pump. Tyler's ready as usual.
I'm locked and loaded.
Shay's good to go. Groover's down. Last morning.